This video looks at how to extract matrix elements and assign element values. First, let's find this product in Run Matrix. We can now easily extract a matrix element for further use. To extract 438 from the answer matrix, press Matrix and Answer, open a square bracket, then enter the row and column of the element required, close the bracket and execute. Use this method to also extract a value from an extracted table of values. See the quick skill video, Table Extracting Values. We can also assign element values to stored matrices. First, store matrix A and exit. To replace the value 6 with 6.2, enter the value, then store arrow. Press Matrix and A, open a square bracket, then enter the row and column of the element required, close the bracket and execute. The new element value is now stored.